What is the best thing you learned today?
Not to be afraid of AI, to just try it, use it. Basically, you can't break it. Today's class, I've used ChatGPT, not really any of the other ones, so I was a little familiar with it, but coming to class and learning the extensive things that can happen with AI and how it can really help me save time in my business, that was great information, very helpful.
And do you think the training was relevant for real estate agents?
Yes, very much so. There were several different GPTs that were shared that can help us, again, save time, market our listings better, and learn the market.
Any plans for you to apply what you learned today?
So I think the first thing that I'll do is the Room GPT and see how that virtually stages. But then I also liked seeing that you can upload a CMA and get talking points so that it makes it a little bit easier for listing presentations.
Good. What is the best thing you learned today?
The best, not to be afraid of AI, to just try it, use it. Basically, you can't break it.
Cool. And for those people who didn't get this training, would you recommend this training? Or
I would recommend this training, and I would tell them that they need to look for this class because it's very helpful.